welcome back to Test Prep Card. I hope you all are doing well and preparing well for all your upcoming exams. So today in this video we are going to Maharashtra. Wait, we are not actually going to Maharashtra, but our virtual trip to Maharashtra is for our medical students, because in this video we will discuss about the best medical colleges in Maharashtra. And not only that, we will also focus on the other details of that particular college, like the hospital affiliated with that college, the cutoffs of that college, the fees, the hostel fees, and other information which is necessary for you. So do watch this video till the end and try to collect as much information as possible so that you can just decide that which college is more suitable for you guys. So guys, here we have Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College, which is in Kolhapur. It is a deemed to be university and seats available for MBBS are 150 over here. Coming on the fees, so the tuition fees over here is rupees NGMT 20 lakh and 60,000, and the hostel fees over here is rupees 8,334. Coming on the affiliated hospital, so here it is Dr. D.Y. Patil Hospital, and the exam necessary to get admissions in this particular college is NEET only. Coming on the cutoffs, so I will discuss the cutoff of general category for year 2021. So the opening rank was 30,336 and the closing rank was 4,24,405. So that's it for this college. Now let's move towards our next college. The next we have BJ Medical College, which is in Pune. It is a government college. Coming on the seats for the MBBS course, so here we have 200 seats available. Now the fees. So the tuition fees over here is rupees 70,900 and the hostel fees is rupees 4,000. Now, coming on the affiliated hospital, so here we have Sassoon General Hospital, and you have to give the NEET exam to take admission in this particular college. Coming on the cutoffs, so here also I have the data available of 2020 for general category. The opening rank for round 1 was 207 and the closing rank was 970. For round 2, the opening rank was 130 and the closing rank was 976. So that's it. Now it's time for our next college in the list. So here we have Bharati Vidyapeeth Medical College, which is in Pune. So it is also deemed to be university, and seats for MBBS students available over here are 150. Coming on the fees, tuition fees is MGMT rupees 18 lakh 43,000 and for NRI it is US dollar 70,000. Now coming on the hostel fees, so it is rupees 18,833. The affiliated hospital over here is Bharati Hospital and Research Center, and here also you have to score a good score in NEET exam to get admissions. Now coming on the cutoffs, so here I have the data of 2021 for general category. The opening rank was 16,069 and the closing rank was 6,17,895. So that's it for this college. Now the other college which we have is Maharashtra Institute of Medical Education and Research. This is in Pune and it is managed by a trust. Seats for MBBS over here are 150, and talking about the fees, so the management quota fees is rupees 7,20,000 and the hostel fees over here is rupees 50,000 yearly basis. Coming on the affiliated hospital, so here we have Yeshwantrao Chanwan Rural Hospital. So coming on the next detail, we have the exam which is NEET again. Now coming on the cutoffs, so the cutoffs are available for 2021 for general category and it was ranging between 720 to 138. It is the score, not the rank, it is the score which is needed. Now coming on the next college, so here we have Government Medical College which is in Nagpur. It is a government college with 250 seats available for the MBBS students. Talking about the fees, so the tuition fees over here is rupees 99,172 and the hostel fees is rupees 4,000. The affiliated hospital over here is GMC Hospital Nagpur, and again you have to have a good score in NEET for getting admission in this college. Coming on the cutoffs, so here we have the data of 2021 for the general category. The opening rank was 2,546 and the closing rank was 5,124. The next in the row is TOPIWALA National Medical College which is in Mumbai. It is a government college, and talking about the seats for MBBS students, so here we have 150 seats available. Coming on the fees, so the tuition fees is rupees 94,700 and the hostel fees is rupees 4,000. The affiliated hospital over here is by Yamunabai Lakshman BYL Nair Charitable Hospital, and again the NEET exam is necessary for getting admissions in this particular college. Coming on the cutoffs, so for 2021 general category, the opening rank was 952 and the closing rank was 2,565. So now we have Seth Gorthan Das Sundar Das Medical College which is in Mumbai. It is a government college with 250 seats available in the MBBS course. Coming on the fees, so the tuition fees over here is rupees 1,04,005 rupees and the hostel fees is rupees 4,000. Coming on the affiliated hospital, so it is King Edward Memorial Hospital. Now talking about the cutoffs, so here we have the data available of 2020 for the general category. So in 2020 for round 1, the opening rank was 92 and the closing rank was 935. For round 2, the opening and the closing rank was 457. That means only one seat was available in round 2. Now time for our next college. So guys, now we have Armed Forces Medical College which is in Pune. So again it is a government college only, and for MBBS students there are 250 seats available in this college. Coming on the fees, so the tuition fees over here is rupees 56,540 and the hostel fees is nil because maybe no hostel available. The affiliated hospital over here is Southern Command Hospital And to get admission in this college, you need to have a good score in your NEET exam and as well as TOEFL exam. TOEFL exam is the entrance exam of this particular college only. That means first you need to have a good score in your NEET exam and then you have to sit for the TOEFL exam. And then the merit list for this college is made by combining the score for both the exams. That means NEET also and TOEFL also. So if we talk about the cutoffs, then the seats are given or the seats are allocated to the students who have a good combined score in NEET as well as TOEFL. Now, coming on the last college for today. So guys, it is Grant Medical College, which is in Mumbai. So again, it is a government college only, and for MBBS students, there are 250 seats available in this college. If we talk about the fees, so the tuition fees over here is rupees 1,02,961 and the hostel fees is rupees 4,000. Coming on the hospital, so the affiliated hospital is Sir JJ Group of Hospitals. And to get your seat in this college, again you need to have a good score in your NEET exam only. Coming on the cutoffs, so here we have the cutoffs available of 2020 for the general category. So in round 1, the opening rank was 962 and the closing rank was 1599. For round 2, the opening rank was 1158 and the closing rank was 2828. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope this video was useful for you, and if you like this video, then quickly click on the like button and do share it with your other friends also, so that even they can extract as much as information possible for themselves also. And if you are new to this channel, then quickly go and subscribe it, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated and connected with our channel, because we really have a lot of information for you all.